What's up, guys? Welcome to the Tech Wizards YouTube channel. I'm Joe. So we're going to start things off with this article. So appointment backlog passes 6,000 with more than 1,300 ops postponed in the wake of a hospital ransomware attack, new figures show. So this is basically outsourcing and not validating your outsourcing model. Similar things have happened before with outsourcing to places like BT, Maztec. I worked for a long time in health IT, as well as 5 years working with the NHS directly, and the majority of the problems are caused by outsourcing and not outsourcing correctly, not doing validation checks, not doing due diligence on their core infrastructure in terms of security, pen testing, that sort of thing. So the NPFIT, which stands for National Programme of IT, that was started back in 2004. So originally it was BT, but then they subcontracted to more organisations, places like Maztec, Atos, places like that, and the spend over that tenure went from originally 10 billion to 12.5, and that was mainly due to poor contract writing. So essentially, if you wanted something changed on the website, they would overcharge you for that. But let's go back to this article. So on the 3rd of June, cyber attack target pathology service provider Synnovis, if that's how you say it, with a ransomware attack. So when I come to the Daily Mail, it's Russia, maybe not. But again, NHS England said there were no evidence for cyber criminals had published an entire database. However, any data, that's still an infraction of GDPR, so it's still something to worry about. Yeah, so that's just that article for today. I will be posting a bit more now, now I've got a bit more time. But yep, hope to speak to you all soon. Thank you. Bye.